The console is where you execute R commands interactively. When you enter a single line of command or statement and hit enter on the keyboard, R will execute the statement and return the result of that execution, if any. Of course, you can run multiple lines of statement on the console at the same time, but the essence of interactively executing commands on the console is so that you can see the effect of each line of command you issue to R. You can clear the text on the console if you click here. Alternatively, hold down the Control key on the keyboard and press L.